Namaskar. Many times this question is asked like which meditation is good for me, how to choose among so many type of meditations. So first of all, let's understand the purpose of meditation. The purpose is to cool down the mind, to cool down the chattering of mind, and then stay in the state of that relaxation, stay in the state of equilibrium that is achieved after meditation, right? So this is how we decide the purpose first and then we proceed in the direction. Now understanding the meditation, there are multiple type of meditation. There are some meditation which start from the physical body, then there are other meditation like which start from breath. So those kind of meditation which start from the body, for example, all kind of yoga, they start from the physical body. The asanas, they start from the physical body. Then there are other type of meditation we start from the breath, like all kind of pranayama. They are the foundation of breathing meditation, and then further like putting attention like vipassana, for example, or anapanasati is one kind of meditation which is associated with the breath. And similarly there are multiple other variations of the same. There are like Osho's dynamic meditation and others like which are associated with breath. Similarly there are other meditation which start from the thoughts or imagination, for example witness meditation. So it starts directly from the thought level, imagination level, and the last one is the and the next one is sound or chakra mantras meditation. So this is the increasing order of uh, the softness of the level of the level of meditation which is starting from the body is a gross level, and the breath is little subtle, then thoughts even more subtle, and the sound of the chakras even more subtle, and finally the soul is the most subtle level of meditation. So you cannot start from the subtle level immediately because it's not so easy. You must start from the top level, start from the body or breath. Once you have crossed that stage, let's say from 2 to 3 weeks, you continuously do the any meditation which involves the physical body, or in one go, in one, let's say, sitting of 1 hour, initial 10 minutes you spend on the body. Okay, do some physical exercise, do some dancing, some other things. Similarly, in the next 5 to 10 minutes, focus on the breath. So observing the breath, like which breath is going which way, which nostril is acting, things like that, and doing the pranayama, right? The next level, you must do the thoughts and the imagination meditation. Maybe putting yourself into some kind of imagination whereby you are sitting in a blank room and then meditating on something. So that may be the next step, or observing your thoughts may be the next step. And the next after that should be the sound of the chakras or mantras, anything which goes even at a subtle level of sound, chakras or mantras. That's the next level. And finally you may be able to reach the state of thoughtlessness, whereby you perceive your own divine self, which is called the soul or the divine knowledge. So my idea is simply to go through this process from gross to subtle, and finally that's how the meditation will be there. Similarly, like as I said, like start from the body, start from the breath, start from the imagination, start from sound, and start with energy chakras or the knowledge. So there are different levels. That's again depend upon your that depend upon like which level you are standing at current moment, at this moment, where are you right now? If you are living at the body level, then start from the body level meditation, and similarly the others, right? So this is how my basic guidance is about meditation. You start from anywhere, or you start a combination of all of these meditation, or combination of the meditation, like starting from body to breath to imagination to sound or maybe energy and the soul level. I have so many meditation which are a combination, like step by step meditations, which I will be sharing soon on my this channel. So stay with us, and let's reach the next level of meditation, the state of thoughtlessness, with the help of this meditation. I hope you understood my point. Thank you very much being with us. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.